Hello everyone, and welcome. Today's topic is After the Rain Comes Sunshine. This beautiful saying reminds us that no matter how dark or difficult life feels, brighter days are always ahead. Just as rain nourishes the earth and helps flowers grow, our challenges help us become stronger, wiser, and more grateful. Every storm we face teaches us something valuable and prepares us for the light that follows. So even when life feels heavy, remember, the rain will pass and the sunshine will return. In this episode, we'll explore how hope, patience, and faith can guide us through tough times and lead us to joy again. Stay with me, and let's learn how to find sunshine in our hearts. Even after the storm, life is full of changes. Some days are bright, peaceful, and full of laughter, while others are dark, stormy, and filled with pain. Just like nature, our lives go through seasons. There are times when everything seems to go wrong, when we face loss, disappointment, or sadness. Yet, just as the rain never lasts forever, neither do our troubles. After every storm, the sky clears, and the warm rays of the sun return. That is the beautiful truth behind the saying, "After the rain comes sunshine." This simple proverb carries a powerful message about hope, patience, and faith. It reminds us that no matter how difficult our situation is, brighter days are always ahead. It encourages us to hold on, to keep walking, and to trust that every challenge will pass. The sunshine will come again, not just in the sky, but in our hearts. Rain is often used as a symbol for pain, sadness, or hardship. When it rains, the world looks gray, quiet, and cold. We may not feel like going outside or doing anything. In life, rain can represent moments when we feel lost, afraid, or alone. It can be the loss of a loved one, a failure at work, a broken relationship, or even a dream that didn't come true. However, rain also brings growth. Without rain, plants cannot live, flowers cannot bloom, farmers cannot harvest crops. So even though rain can feel uncomfortable, it plays an essential role in making the world more alive and beautiful. In the same way, the hard times in our lives help us grow. They teach us lessons, make us stronger, and help us understand what truly matters. When we experience our personal rain, it's natural to feel discouraged. We might question why bad things happen to us or why life seems unfair. But if we look deeper, we can see that every drop of rain, every tear we cry, has a purpose. It washes away the dust of our old selves and prepares us for renewal. Sunshine represents warmth, happiness, and new beginnings. When the sun comes out after a storm, everything shines again. The air feels fresh, the ground smells of earth, and the world looks brighter. The same happens within us. After we go through hard times and come out stronger, we begin to appreciate life more deeply. Small things, a smile, a kind word, a quiet morning, start to feel like gifts. Sunshine also symbolizes hope and clarity. After confusion or sadness, we begin to see things clearly again. We start to believe in ourselves and in life's possibilities. We realize that the storm was not the end of our story. It was just one chapter in our journey toward peace and happiness. Every difficult time has a lesson hidden inside it. Pain is a teacher that no one wants, but everyone needs. It teaches us patience, humility, and empathy. When we go through hard times, we learn what it means to be human, to fall, to rise, and to keep moving forward. Imagine a young tree standing in a field. When the wind blows and the rain falls, the tree bends but doesn't break. Its roots grow deeper into the soil to stay strong. Later, when the sun returns, the tree stands taller than before. Our lives are very similar. Every storm helps us grow roots of courage, strength, and wisdom. The next time we face a problem, we can remind ourselves, this is just the rain. The sunshine is coming. That mindset gives us strength to stay calm and patient during difficult times. It helps us trust that the pain we feel now will eventually lead to something better. History and everyday life are full of examples showing that after every storm, something beautiful can grow. After failure comes success. Many famous people experienced rain before finding sunshine. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected by many publishers before Harry Potter became one of the most loved stories in the world. Their failures didn't define them. Their persistence did. After heartbreak comes healing. When people lose someone they love, the pain feels endless. But with time, love returns in new forms. Through friendships, new experiences, or even self-love, the heart learns to open again. Just like flowers opening to sunlight after rain. These stories remind us that no storm lasts forever. If we keep walking through the rain, step by step, we will eventually reach the sunshine. When life gets hard, the hardest part is not knowing when it will get better. The waiting, the uncertainty, and the fear can make us want to give up. But it's during these times that patience becomes our best friend. Here are a few ways to hold on when you're going through the rain. 1. Believe in time. Time doesn't heal everything instantly, but it softens pain. With each new day, we gain more strength, more understanding, and more courage. 2. Take care of yourself. Even in hard times, try to eat well, sleep enough, and breathe deeply. Self-care is like carrying an umbrella in the rain. It doesn't stop the storm, but it helps you stay dry. 3. Talk to someone. Sharing your worries with a friend, family member, or counselor can lighten the emotional load. You don't have to walk through the storm alone. 4. Find small joys. Listen to music. Watch the sunrise. Read something inspiring. These little moments are rays of sunlight that remind you life is still beautiful. 5. Keep faith. Whether your faith is in God, in the universe, or simply in yourself, hold on to it. Faith is the anchor that keeps you steady during the storm. Remember, it's okay to cry. It's okay to feel tired, but never lose sight of the truth. This too shall pass. When the rain ends, something magical happens inside us. We realize we have changed. We are not the same person we were before the storm. We've learned to appreciate calmness, to value kindness, and to respect the strength within us. After pain, happiness feels deeper. After loneliness, love feels warmer. After failure, success feels more meaningful. The sunshine doesn't erase the rain. It shines brighter because of it. That's the secret of emotional growth. The more we experience, the more we understand and appreciate life. Many people discover their true purpose after facing hardship. For example, someone who suffered from illness may later become a nurse or doctor to help others. Someone who lost a job may discover a hidden talent and start a new business. These are examples of sunshine born from rain, beauty created from struggle. One of the best ways to welcome sunshine into our lives is through gratitude. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings and transforms sadness into peace. When we focus on what we still have, rather than what we've lost, our hearts become lighter. Even during rainy days, there's always something to be thankful for. The people who care for us, the lessons we're learning, the strength we still have. Gratitude is like a window that lets the sunlight in. Even when the clouds are thick, try saying to yourself, I may be in the rain now, but I am grateful for the chance to grow. I may not see the sunshine yet, but I know it's coming. Such words plant seeds of hope in your heart. And when the time is right, those seeds bloom into joy. How we look at life determines how we experience it. Two people can face the same storm, but one sees only darkness while the other sees a chance to grow. That's the power of perspective. When we view challenges as opportunities, everything changes. Instead of saying, "Why is this happening to me?" we can ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" That question shifts our mindset from victimhood to strength. The truth is, we cannot control the weather, neither in the sky nor in our lives. But we can control how we respond. We can choose to dance in the rain, to smile through tears, and to trust that sunshine is on its way. That choice is what builds resilience, the ability to recover from anything life throws at us. Once we've walked through the rain and seen the sunshine again, we can help others do the same. When we share our stories of survival and hope, we become a light for someone else's darkness. Kind words, a gentle smile, or simply listening to someone's pain can make a huge difference. Sometimes, being there for someone doesn't mean solving their problems. It just means reminding them that they're not alone. Helping others also strengthens our own hearts. When we give love, we receive love. When we spread hope, we feel hope. That's how sunshine multiplies. It grows brighter when it's shared. Rain and sunshine are not enemies. They are partners in nature's balance. Rain nourishes the earth, and sunshine helps it bloom. In the same way, pain and joy are both essential to human life. Without sadness, we wouldn't recognize happiness. Without struggle, we wouldn't appreciate success. Life is a beautiful cycle of storms and calm, endings and beginnings. When we accept both with an open heart, we find peace. We stop fighting against what we cannot change and start flowing with the rhythm of life. Every ending is also a beginning. Every dark night is followed by dawn. Every tear prepares us for laughter. That's the promise of life. No matter how bad things seem, there's always a way forward. Sometimes we wait for sunshine to come from outside, from other people, from luck, or from circumstances. But the truth is, real sunshine starts inside us. It's the light of courage, kindness, and faith that lives in our hearts. Even on the rainiest day, we can choose to be our own sunshine. We can speak positive words, act with love, and keep believing in the goodness of life. When we do that, we create warmth not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us. The sun may rise in the sky each morning, but your inner sun rises every time you smile, forgive, or choose hope over despair. Life will always bring rain. That's something we cannot avoid. But every storm has a purpose, and every dark cloud hides a silver lining. When we face challenges with courage and patience, we grow stronger and wiser. And when the rain finally stops, we can step into the sunshine with gratitude and joy. After the rain comes sunshine is not just a saying. It's a truth we see in nature, in history, and in our own hearts. It's a reminder that no matter how hard things get, light always follows darkness, and peace always follows pain. So if you're in a rainy season right now, hold on. Don't give up. Keep walking, keep believing, and keep your heart open. The sunshine is already on its way, and when it comes, it will shine brighter than ever. Be patient with yourself. The rain doesn't last forever. The sun will return, and when it does, you will realize how beautifully you've grown. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. After the rain comes sunshine. I truly appreciate your time and your open heart. I hope today's message reminded you that no matter how heavy the rain may seem, sunshine is always waiting just beyond the clouds. Every challenge you face is shaping you into a stronger and more compassionate person. Life is full of ups and downs, but each dark moment helps us value the light even more. So keep believing, keep growing, and never lose hope. Your sunshine will come again, brighter and warmer than before. Once again, thank you for being here, for listening, and for sharing your light with the world. Until next time, take care, stay positive, and remember, after every rain, the sun always shines.